Hello. So, how do you change a flat tire?
A flat tire?
Or a tire with a nail in it?
You buy a new one.
Welcome back to another episode of Initial Speed. Once again, I'm your host, Phil. Today, well, something a little bit different. We're going to patch a tire. I know Omar and I have shown you how to find a leak in your tire and how to change tires or wheels, but now there's a nail in the tire, so got to remove that. Let's get to it. Not much.
I didn't hear the question.
Clearly you didn't hear her.
No, I didn't hear what she said.
She said, "What are you doing, babe?" She was talking to her coworker. Alright, now let's find this nail. I think that's it there.
I don't think it's both, yeah.
Grr. Okay. Alright. Looking for the nail. So there's only one. So I need to pull it out and patch it. I don't have a set of pliers with me, so all I did was wedge the screwdriver in one way, the other way, and then pry together. Now it's up. I can use the vice grip to pull it out. So now I'm going to pull the nail out of the tire, and quickly I'm going to, so this is the kit that I bought, but any kit will work as long as it's a tire patching kit. So I'm going to pull this nail out. It's going to start releasing air. I'm going to shove this into the hole. Two reasons. One, to stop air from coming out. Two, it's like when you're painting, you need a scuffed up area for the glue to adhere to. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's rough. So I'm just going to push it in and out, in and out. Guys, you know how to do that. And then I will grab this. This is extremely sticky. I'll shove this into the hole, twist, and then pull out. You know about pulling out. Okay, ready? See how little air I can lose. I've got a feeling it's going to fight me. Not heavy enough. So you just want to push and pull it a couple times, just to make the surface rough. Okay, so now I'm going to pull this out and shove the other one in. Whew, good workout. And once again, I guess I'm just not heavy enough. There we go. A little at a time. Alright, I'm going to cheat.
Okay.
So now I've shoved it in there. It's a bit of a mess here, but I'm hoping that enough has gone inside. And just like that, You can leave it like this, or you can cut off the top.
I cut it.
I'm gonna cut the top off.
Yeah.
That way you don't hear it, because you will hear road noise. And then you pump up the tire with whatever we've lost, and that's the way it goes. So this is it. You will see the remainder as to how to put the tire back on, but that's gonna be all B-roll stuff. I hope this helped you out. If it did, down below on the comments. And don't forget to check out the rest of the channel and see what else you can learn or entertain you with. initialSpeed, out. Okay, torque specs for this wheel, 80 foot-pounds. Oh, only 19 pounds of air. It's empty.
Empty. What about mine?
She's just like you, empty.
Oh, yes.